Today's lesson is going to be a winter snow globe. So we're going to start drawing the snow globe. I'm using a Sharpie marker. You could use a pencil, you could use a regular black marker, you could use a black crayon. It's totally up to you. Use whatever you have available. I'm going to start with a horizontal line at the bottom of my paper. That's going to be the bottom of the base of the snow globe. Now I'm drawing two straight lines that go up from that base for the side of the base. And then I'm just going to connect with another line. And there's the base of my snow globe. So now it's time to draw the glass ball that is on the snow globe. And I'm going to put a dot at the top of my paper. That's going to kind of serve as a guide. I'm going to start there and curve my line around to the base. On one side, and then the other side. And there we go. I'm going to add a little reflection using a triangle shape, the top side of the snow globe, and add two lines beside the base for the tabletop. Here I'm just going to start adding some more lines because I want lots of different spaces for details and other decorations of my snow globe. Drawing some details, adding some snowflakes now. Snowflakes are pretty easy. Just start with an X and add a line right through the middle. You could include different kinds of decorations and details on yours if you'd like to. Okay, so from here, it's totally up to you what you decide to include inside your snow globe. Think about things that remind you of winter. Things like maybe a snowman, or someone ice skating, or hot chocolate, or other things that remind you of wintertime. What you include in your snow globe is totally up to you. For the demonstration, I'm going to show how to draw a house. So I'm going to start with a square right in the middle of the snow globe. And this house is going to have a triangle roof, and it's also going to show the side of the house as well. So it's going to look kind of three-dimensional. So I'm going to add two diagonal lines, one at the bottom corner, one at the top corner, and they are the same length. And then connect. I'm going to draw another diagonal line at the top of the roof that is the same length and connect. So now my house looks like it has three-dimensional form. Here I'm going to start adding some of the house details like doors and windows and things like that. If you decide to draw a different kind of house, that's okay with me. It's your artwork, so you get to make the choice of what you include inside your snow globe. Here I'm just adding some more decorations on the house on the roof, just to make it look a little more interesting. Another window on the side. Alright, I think I'm going to start adding the snow around the house with some bumpy lines. Maybe a few more bumpy lines down underneath. And then I've got some empty space here beside the house, so I'd like to fill that in. I'm just going to add a little snowman. Alright, that looks pretty good. So now this is a snow globe, so I am going to start adding some little dots to make it look more like snow is falling in the snow globe. Alright, that looks pretty good. Here I'm just going to start adding some more details and more space underneath for more areas where I could add some more color to make it, again, more colorful, more interesting. You could even go ahead and add snowflakes or details around your snow globe. That's totally up to you. When you finish drawing your snow globe, then please color your work. You can use crayons or markers or colored pencils, whatever materials you have that are yours, those are the materials that you should use. So whatever you bring with you for art class, those are the materials that you're going to use.